All right, whatever you're doing at home, I want you to take just a little break because we've got the coolest segment about those gadgets that are going to help your day-to-day life with the coolest gadget guy we know, Bruce Peckman's in the house. Yes.
Yeah.
So excited to see you this morning.
Great to see you all, Ginger.
You always bring us things that just make our life better. What's next?
This is from STKR Concepts, and then we have a lot of DIYers and folks that like to work on their cars. I like this one in particular right here that I'm holding because it's called FLEXiT, and I like to flex. But anyway, it has a solar-powered charge, so if you're outside, you don't have to worry about it. You can still charge it up traditionally, but the best part, folks, is the magnets are right on the back, so you can stick this right over on wherever you're using anything metal, steel, this will attach to it. And on top of all of that, the greatest thing, it folds so you can get the exact right angle.
Oh,
look how
so
bright
nice.
that is. And there's all different settings on it.
For all those places you need light and you can't get it to there.
Right, and this is also similar. This is called...
I keep flashing your face.
This is called the Rover, and the Rover's cool because a lot of cameramen, like Viveki, would love this because there's a tripod mount right here on the bottom.
Oh, there we go.
So if you're a photographer, this will give you a lot of light, and there's all kinds of settings on that as well.